Please tell me that thing didn't go off. You've got to be kidding me. It actually went off. How is the ship intact? The ship marshal said it could tear this entire cruiser in half. And yet... Oh my, I've got to get to them. Hey, are you okay? Whoa. That's a giant piece of shrapnel. And those plasma burns are very severe. I guess your fancy armor shields can only handle so much before this happens. I need to take your armor off. Now, where is the... found it. Hey, calm down. Listen to me. Please, just... I'm not your enemy. The war is over. I'm trying to help you. Heal you. Yeah? There. Nice and calm. Now, I don't know what kind of PTSD I triggered, but I'm sorry nonetheless. Now try to relax for me, please. Thank you for your cooperation. Your injuries are severe, and I have a feeling that if I tried to move you right now, it would only make your condition worse. I'm going to have to get that shrapnel out of you. So, do me a favor and lay flat on your back. Good, alien. Why am I treating you like a child? You're almost twice my height. Anyway. Here. Put this in your mouth. And don't bend or break it. Your life kind of relies on it. Very good. I'll use the sanitary foam to fill the wound so that you don't bleed out. But I need you to hold it. I'm going to get this shard of metal out from your side now. Just breathe, okay? Almost got it. There. Alright. I hope I didn't mess you up any further. How do you feel? Whoa. I didn't know your kind could cry. I really shouldn't be too surprised. Your race picked up English really fast, so I guess you aren't too different from us. Besides, physically, of course. I mean, like, intelligence-wise, we're the same... oh, never mind. Ignore my bantering. Any pain after I applied the foam? No. Okay. Good. It's supposed to do that, don't worry. Now, let's get you further away from these flames. Lean on this. I need to bandage your burns. I know being on a giant, clean spaceship like this one should prevent infection, but you can never be too sure. Especially when this one isn't human-made. Now, sit still. Alright, that is good enough. Alright? Now, how do we get you out of here? Because we can't really keep you here with all the plasma fire that's still burning. It's ungodly hot. And the hangar is practically falling apart. I got it. Alright. Stay here. I will go get help from another one of you. Lord knows my human body can't carry you out fast enough. Alright. We're back. Thank you. Guard? I don't know your ranks that well, I'm sorry. Anyway, let's get you out of here. Hope they didn't hurt you on accident. Alright, I'll tend to their wounds, and thank you again for your aid. Do you know how lucky you are? Apparently, whatever makeshift explosive your cruiser found could have blown a hole right through the hangar. You'd be sucked out into space if it weren't for whatever miracle saved you. But I won't chew you up over it too much. But I do have a feeling your marshal is going to have a blast investigating whatever caused this to happen. Anyways, how are you feeling? Better? That's good. You look very, pale? I guess that's normal, though. You lost a lot of blood. You also feel very cold. Here, I keep a survival blanket in my bag. You don't mind if I just watch you sleep, right? You're definitely too tired to respond. Not like I'd give you much of a choice, anyway, considering I'm your caregiver right now. I'm very tired as well. I spent my entire day trying to learn your language because I need to be able to read it so I can learn more about your anatomy. You don't mind if I snuggle up to you? I need a giant nap. Hey. You are just fast asleep. I want the blanket too. Good night. I really hope you don't freak out too much when you wake up. Hey guys, Scratch here. This audio was made by Alpine. Thank you, Alpine, for writing this script. I've been working on some things in the background, so I haven't been able to write my own scripts recently, unfortunately. Or I haven't been able to write scripts for the YouTube. But very, very, very thankfully, I have TPA and I have Alpine, and I'm so grateful for both of them. Alpine made this one. There is a part 2 to this audio, so if you would like that, it exists, and yeah, if you want that, go ahead and comment that, and I'll use it. I opened a throne, just in case you're interested. I don't give a shit. But yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I love interactive comments, and you made this far, so why not subscribe? Join the Patreon and the Discord, and yeah. Bye bye.